Ladies and gentlemen, gather round because today we're diving into something older than my neighbor Rick's conspiracy theories. The legendary 1913 Earl Travel trailer. Yes, this rig is so vintage, it makes my first flip phone look futuristic. But I believe it's earned every wrinkle and rust spot like a badge of honor. So here's the setup. It's 1913. A professor named Earl at Caltech decides tents are for amateurs. He commissions a Los Angeles carriage maker to build what becomes the world's first legit travel trailer. The Earl trailer rides on a steel frame with a wooden body, and it's clad in steel on the bottom half with oilcloth on top. The windows were copper screens, although time wasn't kind to those. It sleeps two, includes a pantry, a folding dining table that tucks up into the ceiling, and a wardrobe just big enough to hang disappointment in. The interior is hardwood, floor, walls, ceiling. Inside, there are twin benches that turn into beds and no bathroom. The trailer was towed by a same-year Ford Model T convertible, restored to its original blue glory. They're connected by a handmade hitch forged by a blacksmith. I like the most how the builder probably hammered it out between shoeing horses and explaining to his kids what the future internet would be. A rig lives today at the RV/MH Hall of Fame Museum in Elkhart, Indiana. It was restored in the 1980s and donated by Wade Thompson of Thor Industries. Yes, the same guy who revived Airstream. A man with taste and guts. Respect. Now, for those of you who want to relive the glory days, you can find replicas. One even popped up for $12,000, about 11,000 euros, with a 12-volt battery, propane stove, Coleman cooler, and cabinetry. I believe it was towed with a Ford Model A, which probably had less horsepower than my leaf blower, but way more class. Anyway, if you ever find yourself in Indiana and need a break from cornfields and confusion, swing by and see this masterpiece. It's not just history, it's a time capsule on wheels.